located along a line extending from near Julia to 9 nautical miles northeast of Valparaiso, moving north at 35 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and near zero visibility in blowing gusts. Source: radar. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The front will be near Indiana Harbor, Marina Shores Epping Harbor, and Burns Harbor around 6:25 p.m. Hamlet Marina around 6:30 p.m. Calumet Harbor around 6:35 p.m. Jackson Park Harbor and 59th Street Marina around 6:40 p.m. 31st Street Harbor and Burnham Harbor around 6:45 p.m. Civil Harbor and Monroe Harbor around 6:50 p.m. Belmont Harbor, Diversey Harbor, and Harrison Beaver crib around 6:55 p.m. Montrose Harbor around 7 p.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Shit. Doubleheader. Doubleheader.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a dust storm warning for southeastern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., the wall of dust was along a line extending from near Solvenock, Illinois to near Dyer, and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 50 miles per hour. Source: emergency management. Impact: dangerous life-threatening travel, including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 270 and 294. Interstate 88 between mile markers 96 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 103. Interstate 94 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 26 and 61. Interstate 355 near mile marker 12 and between mile markers 15 and 30. Locations impacted include West Town, Glendale Heights, Chicago Lawn, Englewood, Berkeley, Summit, Austin, West Garfield Park, Lyle, near North Side, Aurora, North Lake, Stickney, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Westmont, South Elgin, South Barrington, Wales, Evanston, Grand Boulevard, Gilbert's, South Shore, Armour Square, and Maine. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Open Community College, Winchester Field, SeatGeek Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Aurora University, Benedictine University, College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Elgin Community College, Family Lab, Harvard College. The following is a special weather statement from the National
Doubleheader. Doubleheader. Holy crap.